500,000 piso na medical assistance ang kaloob ng tanggapan ni BTA Deputy Speaker Attorney Omar Yasser Sema sa Cotabato Sanitarium and General Hospital. Ang turnover ng pondo ay pinangunahan mismo ng mambabatas ngayong araw. Ang PPP story mula kay Jen Garcia.
Tinanggap ng kinatawan ng Cotabato Sanitarium and General Hospital ang 500,000 pisong halaga ng medical assistance. Ang tseke ay personal mismo na iniabot ni MP Attorney Omar Yasser Sema. Ginanap ang turnover ngayong araw ng Biyernes at 15 ng Agosto 2025. Ang pondo ay mula sa 3.5 million na Medical Outreach Program Fund o MOE 2025 ng mambabatas sa ilalim ng Ministry of Health sa pamumuno ni Doc Jojo Sinolinding. Ito na umano ang pangatlong pondong inilaan ni MP Sema sa nasabing ospital kung saan maraming indigent na pasyente na ang natulungan.
This is part of our Medical Outreach Program Fund, yung MOP natin for 2025 MOP under the Ministry of Health, no? Under the leadership of Dr. Jojo Sinolinding, and we are grateful that the ministry has expedited the release of this fund allocated for the Cotabato Sanitarium General Hospital. This is actually my third fund for the said hospital. Ubus na yung mga nauna, and we are glad that the Ministry of Health has some sort of replenished our hospital assistance fund or medical assistance fund at the said hospital, and we're really grateful. This is a great and big help for the said hospital. Alam natin, isa yan yung sa mga pinaka busy hospital in Maguindanao and Cotabato City areas. At may natutulungan din kasing mga pasyente galing sa Cotabato City, but most especially from the SGA and of course the municipality of Sultan Kudarat. Well, this is 500,000 assistance. This is actually part of a 3.5 million MOP. Nauna na ho tayo nagbigay sa regional hospital, and then meron na hong upcoming for pharmacy assistance naman sa Mercury drug in Cotabato City, and another 1 million allotted for Deseret Hospital in the SGA area. Well, tayo ho mismo ang pumili. Kung pwede lang annually siguro nabigay na natin sa kanila annually, but I think this is the third time that we have allotted for said hospital, because yun na nga, uulitin natin, yung Cotabato Sanitarium and General Hospital, yan mo yung next to the regional hospital, yan ho talaga yung pinakamaraming indigent patients na nag-accommodate ng indigent patients.
Pasasalamat din ang ipinaabot ng kinatawan ng ospital para sa natanggap na medical assistance. Malaking tulong umano ito lalong-lalo na sa mga indigent na pasyente ng pagamutan.
On behalf of Cotabato Sanitarium and General Hospital and on behalf of our Medical Chief Center, Dr. Ibrahim B. Pangato, we would like to thank MP Attorney Omar Sema and Dr. Kadil Sinolinding for his medical assistance worth of 500,000. This is a great help because our hospital is a level 2 hospital which cater to a lot of patients, especially indigent patients, and malaking tulong po ito sa aming hospital. So maraming salamat po. Alhamdulillah, our hospital is continuously growing. Level 2 na po kami ngayon, and as bago lang na nag-level 2, marami na rin yung nakikater namin na patients, lumalawak yung service lumalawak yung mga na-render namin na service, and yun yung pinaka-goal namin, is makatulong talaga sa mga tao.
Jen Garcia, iMinds, Philippines.